rescue team! Get your repairs done! I need to check the battery, and Ricky's wheels and siren.
Hannah!
Huh? Hey, guys! I'll repair you one by one.
Thanks!
Strong, can you lower your ramp?
Uh-huh.
Okay, everything looks fine. Ricky, can you turn on your siren for a second?
Yep.
Thanks, Ricky. All done.
Thanks, Hannah.
Twit, your repair's all done too.
Thank you.
Emergency! Emergency! Strong, Ricky, Reki, move out!
Got it! We'll go ahead first. Hannah, please take care of Reki.
Okay.
I'll be right there.
Oh no!
Help!
This is bad. The cars can't get on the ramp.
All right, I'll clear the road for now.
Okay.
Excuse me. Please go ahead first.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Now, follow me.
When can we go?
Oh, phew. Wait just a bit longer, please. Huh?
What?
An accident.
What's going on?
What should we do? Oh! Reki!
Phew! Sorry I'm late.
No worries. Quickly load up the cars.
I'm on it.
Now, please go one by one.
Let's head back to the repair shop.
Strong!
Whew. Hannah, can you take care of the repairs?
Of course.
It's a relief more cars weren't injured.
Yeah.
Should we head back to the headquarters now?
Yeah!
Another successful mission!
Super Wheel Con! Save bad cars stuck in the pit!
I'm so bored! Should we make prank calls? Or set off some firecrackers? But I don't want to get caught again. You're right.
Isn't there anything fun to do?
Just don't get caught then. Hurry, get in!
Bad car? What's going on?
They can't catch us if we're this fast! That was awesome!
But that Ricky is no joke.
We shouldn't have fooled around. Then all we have to do is run super fast!
Can you drive even faster?
All I need is 3 seconds! That car is the best! That car is so fast!
We'll never get caught at this rate. But why isn't Bad Car coming back?
It's already been 3 seconds. What's going on? What in the world happened? It stops here! Guys! Over there!
Where is she? What happened? Are you okay?
Yeah.
What should we do?
Let's get her out of there!
I doubt this will work. We have no choice. Rescue team! Help!
Emergency! Emergency! Reki, prepare to move out! This time, the raccoons asked for help.
What?
They said bad car fell into a pit. Go and check the situation.
Got it! What if it's just a prank call?
Here!
Huh? It's not a joke! I'll save her in no time! What?
I can't reach you!
Jay, help! I need backup! The pit is too deep!
What? Not this one. Oh, Con! We must install the super wheel.
Okay. Let's go.
Wow! Con, you look awesome!
Aha!
Well, thanks!
Well, let's go back now.
Okay!
Another successful mission. Fire truck Frank. The heavy vehicles are trapped in the construction site.
Yeah!
Chris, shall we call it a day?
Sounds good. We're covered in dirt.
Let's hurry and wash up. Huh?
Oh.
Why are there firecrackers here?
Wow, that looks fun! Let's set off a few firecrackers!
Okay.
Yeah. Whoa! Beautiful! That was awesome!
Yeah. Now let's clean up and go back. Huh? What's that smell? Oh.
It's a fire! What should we do?
Oh, let's put out the fire with sand. The fire won't go out.
It's not working! Let's get out for now!
Okay. Oh. We need your help, rescue team!
Fire outbreak! Fire outbreak! Frank, Alice, prepare to move out!
Got it. Red Rescue Team, let's go!
Frank, Alice,
There's a big fire at the construction site.
Chris and Poco are trapped inside. Please hurry!
What? Okay. Over there. Oh no. Chris! Poco!
We're over here!
Hey! Yeah!
Quick, let's get out.
The flames are too strong! Requesting support! Requesting support!
Air! Frank needs your help!
Got it!
Air! Over here!
Okay. Frank!
Thank goodness.
Chris, Poco, are you okay?
You could have been in big trouble.
Sorry. And thank you for saving us.
It's okay. I'm just glad you're not hurt. Now, let's go back to headquarters.
Okay.
Bye, guys! Red Rescue Team, thank you so much!
Another successful mission!
Blue Rescue Team, clear the blocked road.
Have a nice day. Hi, Tayo. Hey, Nuri. The weather is so nice today, huh? It really is. Taxi. Oh, I have to go. See you later. Welcome.
Hi, Nuri.
Rescue team, we need your help!
Emergency! Emergency! Strong! Ricky! Prepare to move out!
Got it! Blue Rescue Team, move out!
Strong! Ricky! There's a major accident on the road!
What?
Due to the damaged cars blocking the road, other cars can't get through. Please, hurry!
Got it! There they are!
Help us, please!
Oh no! Let's quickly move the cars!
Okay! Everyone, pass through this way, please.
Now, let's go to the repair shop.
Okay.
Hannah!
Huh? Strong?
There was a major accident on the road, so I brought the damaged cars.
Oh no.
Can you take care of the repairs?
Uh-huh. All done.
Wow! Thank you so much.
No problem.
Huh? Hi, Blue Rescue Team.
Thank you for rescuing us.
We're just glad you guys are okay. Yeah.
Well, let's head back to the headquarters now.
Okay.
Bye, guys.
Another successful mission.
Supercar Con!
Tow truck Ricky. Boom, boom.
Container Chaos!
I'm faster than you. This is fun. But what else can we play? Racing is getting boring.
I know! Shine! Follow me!
Huh? What's going on? Where are we going?
We're almost there.
Wow! Wow, they're so tall!
Aren't they? Last one to arrive is it.
Huh? Gotcha! Now speed is it!
Gotcha!
Oh my!
Shine! Let's play hide and seek now.
Okay!
I'll be it. 1,
Huh?
2, 3, 10! Are you ready? Ready or not, here I come! Ready or not, here I come! I found you! That was easy!
I bet I can find you easily too! 1, 2, 3. Oh! Ah! Oh! Now let's drive over there as fast as we can!
Got it!
Huh? Oh! Ooh. Thank goodness! Oh. Let's go home now.
Okay. Oh no! We're stuck!
What should we do? How do we get out?
Shine! Let's try pushing the containers!
Okay.
1, 2, 3. What should we do? Rescue team! We need your help!
Emergency! Emergency! Con, Reki, prepare to move out! Little cars are stuck between containers and can't get out!
What?
Hurry and go rescue them!
Got it! Where are they?
Guys! Where are you? Here! We're over here!
Huh?
Please help us!
Are you hurt?
No, we're okay. I can pull it out of the way. I can't pull it.
Con!
Wait just a moment.
Yes, sir!
Reki, I'll push from here. You pull.
Sure.
Phew.
Thank you so much, Con and Reki.
Next time, don't play in dangerous places.
Yeah. Thankfully, no one got hurt today. Yeah. Con, Reki, the last one to arrive is it.
All right!
What?
Another successful mission.
Ooh, rescue team! Shots are scary!
Are you all ready for your first checkup?
Yes!
We're here.
Carrie, baby cars, welcome!
Hey,
Hello!
You must be nervous since it's your first checkup.
well, I'll be back soon. Please take good care of the baby cars.
Sure thing. I'll examine you in a bit. Wait here for just a second.
I'm scared. What if the shot is really big? No way! What was that sound? Ouch! Shots are scary! Run away! Wow! Huh? What's that? What happened? I'm pretty fast. Huh? Ooh, it's my favorite color, red!
Watch out!
I'm scared. I want to get out of here. Help me!
All right, I'm done.
Sorry, I was talking in my sleep, huh? I guess I fell asleep.
It looked like you had a bad dream. Guys, thank you for Where did everybody go? It's dangerous out there. Rescue team, I need your help!
Emergency alert! Emergency alert! All units, prepare to move out!
Got it! Blue Rescue Team, let's move out!
The baby cars wandered off and got into accidents.
We must rescue them immediately!
Okay, got it!
Are you okay?
But tired. Suddenly.
You drove over a nail. Don't worry, I'm here.
I'm scared.
Oh no, wait 1 second. That was close.
There you are. You're okay now. Follow me.
Okay. I can't. Rescue team! Phew, we almost missed you.
What a relief!
I hope the baby cars are safe.
Guys!
Carrie! We're so sorry.
Were you that scared of getting a checkup?
No.
Oh?
We want our checkups now, so we can become cool adults like the Blue Rescue Team.
What?
Thank you!
Goodbye!
Thank you!
All right, let's get going. Another successful mission!
Emergency alert! All units, move out!
Got it! The Blue Rescue Team, let's go!
Police car Ricky, catch the donut thieves.
Mommy, I want this one.
Okay, can we get 2 of these, please?
Sure.
Oh, yeah! That looks so yummy. I want to eat one too.
I can't help it. Let's steal the donuts.
What a great idea!
These donuts are coming with us.
They're thieves!
Get in.
Help me! Rescue Team!
Emergency alert! Emergency alert! Ricky, prepare to move out!
Okay.
Ricky! The donuts have been kidnapped! The criminals ran away in a black car!
What? Okay. There are too many cars. What should I do?
A speeding car has been found downtown.
Huh? That's it! Huh? I found you!
Oh, what's that sound? What? Oh no!
It's the police! Stop right there!
The police? Let's run away! Everyone hold on tight!
He's still following us!
Leave us alone! Everyone move!
Is everyone okay?
We're all right, so go.
Those thieves! Strong! Reki! I need backup!
Okay.
Woohoo! We lost him!
Yahoo! That car is the best!
It's not over yet!
He's back again!
He doesn't know how to quit!
He can't catch up to us anyway. Huh?
I got you, you little thieves!
I made it just in time.
Strong! Reki, thanks so much!
It was nothing. We got caught after all.
Rescue team, thank you for rescuing my donuts.
Thank you!
We really didn't do all that much.
We couldn't have done it if it weren't for you guys!
Well, that's true too.
Huh?
Why are you laughing? It's true.
Raccoons, bad car! We're taking you to the headquarters now! Many cars got hurt because of you guys!
Yeah, the roads are messed up too. We're so sorry.
We couldn't help it because we were hungry.
Sorry.
I admit we do look quite yummy.
Time for us to get going! Another successful mission!
Rescue Truck Strong, the nighttime rescue operation.
Strong, are you coming?
Hana! Not yet. It might take a little longer.
I see. How are the cars that got into the accident?
They seem okay. They must have been tired because they're all sleeping.
Really?
I'll bring them to you safely, so don't worry.
Thank you, Strong.
I need to hurry up.
I'm so sleepy.
Is there anything fun to do? Huh? Look over there! Yeah, what perfect timing!
Let's have some fun.
Great!
1, 2,
That was close. Are you all okay?
Yes, but Strong.
Huh?
The other cars.
What? Oh no! Rescue team, I need your help!
Emergency alert! Emergency alert! Ricky, prepare to move out!
Got it!
The cars that Strong was carrying fell onto the road.
What?
I think it might be the raccoons again. Go quickly.
Got it!
We should be close. Huh? Over there!
Oh! Strong!
Ricky, you're here! Let's load the cars first since it's dangerous.
Okay, leave it to me. Yeah.
And I'll go after the raccoons.
Okay.
They really thought they could catch us.
We showed them who's boss.
Huh?
Hey, you! Stop right there!
It's the police!
Bad car, let's run away!
You think you can catch me?
I can't see!
Bad car, you're a genius!
These guys? Huh?
Hannah!
Welcome, rescue team.
I'm sorry I'm late.
No worries.
Shall we head back to the headquarters?
Yeah! And you guys are coming with us!
Oh, man. We got caught again.
We shouldn't have fooled around.
Another successful mission!
Fire truck Frank, the donut shop is on fire.
It's all done. The oven is all heated up.
Can I get the check, please?
Oh, one moment. Thank you. Phew. Oh, someone spilled their drink. I should clean it up before someone gets hurt.
Why isn't she coming?
She must have forgotten about us.
Don't worry. It's not like there's going to be a fire. It's a fire!
What should we do?
The flames are spreading!
Oh, what's that smell? Oh no! What should I do? Fire extinguisher! Where was it again? Rescue team! I need your help!
Fire alert! Fire alert! Frank, Alice, and Donuts, prepare to move out.
Got it!
Red team, let's go!
Donut team, let's go!
Frank, Alice, Donuts!
There's a fire in the donut shop's kitchen.
The donuts are trapped inside. Hurry!
Got it!
Over there!
Get in quickly! The donuts inside. Huh?
Oh no! The fire is inside, so I can't put it out!
Leave it to us!
Okay, I'll handle the outside.
Red, yellow, green, Donut Rescue Team, let's go! Where is everybody? Here! We're over here! We're alive! Wait just a moment! We will rescue you!
Now!
Finally, the smoke is disappearing!
But what about the donuts? They're safe!
I knew it!
Guys! Thank you for saving them.
Oh, it's all thanks to the donuts.
Yeah, you can always depend on us. Okay.
Okay. Well, we're going to get going now. Okay. Bye-bye.
Another successful mission! Emergency dispatch, Tayo and Gani.
It's a beautiful sunny morning. We can see the little car school over there. We have been learning about the different types of cars. Now, let's guess what the cars in the pictures do.
Okay!
Now, this car works at a construction site. What is it?
An excavator! A cement truck!
There's also a bulldozer.
That's right. Then what cars dispatch when there is a fire?
A fire truck!
Then what is this car?
A delivery truck!
Good job! As you can see, there are many different kinds of cars around us. Tomorrow, we will practice the different jobs we learned today.
Wow, it's so exciting!
Speed and Shine will play the delivery truck.
Okay, nice.
Rogi and Lonnie will try the heavy machinery.
Okay, woohoo!
The heavy machinery looks hard.
As for Tayo and Gani, you guys are going to play the fire truck.
Wow! Okay.
You guys are the fire truck? Can you even put out a fire?
Of course we can. I bet we're the best at it.
If you guys do well, I'm going to give you a sticker.
Wow!
So everyone, do your best.
Okay!
The next day, Tayo and Gani go to experience what it is like to be a fire truck.
Frank! Hi!
Welcome. Are you ready?
Yes. I can't wait!
Okay, then shall we begin your fire training?
Yes!
First, we are going to practice getting ready for dispatch.
For dispatch? Oh, I've done that before.
Okay, you tried being a police car before, so you know what to expect.
Yes!
When there is a fire, you have to go quickly with the equipment to save a lot of people.
Oh, I see.
Okay, then how about if Tayo goes first?
Okay!
Get ready for dispatch.
Ready for dispatch!
Ready for dispatch. Warning, light installing. Outrigger installing. Fire equipment installing. Installing.
Ready for dispatch! Wow, Tayo, you're amazing. You're like a real fire truck. It's nothing.
Tayo, really great job. Are you ready to give it a try, Gani?
Okay. I have to do well too. I'm so nervous.
Get ready for dispatch.
Ready for dispatch?
Oh?
I'm scared.
Gani, you have to go inside.
Okay.
Huh? Wait!
No, Gani!
Ready for dispatch. Warning, light installing. Outrigger installing. Fire equipment installing. Installing.
I can't see anything. Gani, you look so funny.
Gani, you have to go in backwards.
Okay. Don't worry. You just need a little practice and you'll be fine. Okay.
Now, it's time for the firefighting drill.
Wow! Finally, we get to put out fires! This time I'm going to do a good job.
Putting out a fire isn't that easy, so you must have good training. Think of the boards we placed all around the building as fire, and spray them with water.
Okay.
Get ready. Get set, go!
I missed! What? Gani is better! Okay, then me too! Wow, it fell over! I'm all finished! Me too!
Tayo, can you take another look at the board you knocked over?
Huh? Why? I'm sure I knocked them all down.
You have to be more accurate like your friend Gani. in order to put the fire out completely.
Okay. I could have done better than Gani.
Tayo, focus and then shoot. Like this.
You think you're so good after one good run?
What? I was just trying to help you.
I don't need your help. Just do your job.
Don't you think you're overreacting?
Kids, stop it! You should be helping each other, not fighting. I'm very disappointed in you kids. Make sure everything is clean by the time I return. You got it?
Okay. Tayo, the little bus.
Tayo and Gani think the other ruined the training session.
You act so great even though you can't properly get ready to dispatch.
I only wanted to help. Tayo's really overreacting.
Delivery!
Huh? What are you guys doing here?
Huh? We came to make a delivery. Oh!
What's up with you guys? Forget about fire trucks. First, you guys need a car wash.
What? What about you guys?
We already got a sticker for doing a good job.
Ahem.
Wow! You really did!
Hang in there, guys.
Bye-bye.
If this keeps up, I really might not get a sticker.
Hey, Tayo?
Yeah?
I'm sorry for getting mad earlier.
Oh, no. I think I went overboard earlier. Sorry.
It's okay. But if we want a sticker, we can't make another mistake.
I know. Gani, do you want me to help you prepare for dispatch?
Prepare for dispatch?
Yeah. If we help each other, we can both get stickers for doing a good job.
Okay, sounds good. Then I'll help you put out fires. Tayo and Gani agree to help each other practice what they are weak at.
Then Gani, think of the garage as a car wash when you go in. Huh?
It's a car wash. It's a car wash.
Wow, it's a success! Let's try it again. Ta-da! Wow, great job! Shall we try it one last time?
Sounds good. Tayo, spray the water as fast as you can.
Okay. Yep.
Oh, don't rush. First one, then another. You just have to be accurate.
Okay.
Good job, Tayo. So how about we set up a few more boards?
Sounds good.
Tayo, you looked like a real fire truck back there.
You too. You looked amazing as well.
Did you kids get a lot of practice?
Yeah.
I think I can do a good job now.
I can't wait. Huh?
What's going on?
Rookie, there's a big fire in the city. They need help.
Okay, you got it.
We'll leave right away.
We will help too.
Yeah, let us go with you.
Okay, but you have to be careful.
Okay.
Okay, everybody. Get ready for dispatch.
Ready for dispatch. Ready for dispatch. Yeah. Gani, it's your turn.
Huh? Okay.
Don't worry. Just like you practiced.
Yeah, you're gonna be great.
Okay. Yeah. Ready for dispatch!
Good job, Gani!
Okay, let's go.
Let's go!
Tayo and Gani arrive at the scene of the fire alongside Pat.
Kids, spray the water as hard as you can at the base of the fire. I'm counting on you.
Okay!
Over here, hurry up, come on. Hurry up and get in.
Officer, there are still people up there.
Uh-huh.
Help us!
Oh no! The fire is in the emergency stairwell! What should we do?
Rookie!
Huh?
Leave it to me! Oh no! The fire isn't going out! Tayo! Huh? Just do as you practiced! Practice? That's right! One at a time, one at a time! Accurately! Wow!
Good job, Tayo.
Wow! Amazing! We put out the fire and received an honorary fire truck badge.
Wow, honorary fire truck?
Not too bad.
You did really good. Thank you both for working so hard.
Thank you.
Did you guys really put out that fire?
Of course! This honorary fire truck is leaving!
Tayo!
Oh, sorry! What's wrong with this?
Tayo, you did that on purpose!
Hey, no! Sorry!
Tayo and Gani learned that they can overcome anything if they help each other.
New rescuer, Jay!
It's a sunny afternoon, and the little buses are on their way to the emergency center.
I wonder why Rookie wants to see us. I don't know.
Maybe he wants to give me an award because I'm such a great bus.
I don't think so.
Mom, let's cross.
Okay.
Oh, I'm late! I'm late!
Are you okay?
Yes. Wow. That was close.
Thank you so much. It was nothing, as long as you're okay. Okay, then.
I wonder who that was. So amazing. Rookie! Hello!
Welcome!
Wow! It is so clean!
Is there something special happening?
A new member of our rescue crew's coming today.
A new member?
Oh, there she is now.
Huh? That's the person we saw earlier!
Hello, my name is Jay.
Nice to meet you, Jay.
Welcome to the emergency center.
Happy to be of service.
And over here are the little buses. They are our biggest troublemakers.
Hello!
Nice to meet you all.
So, we are having a welcome party for Jay tomorrow. Do you guys want to come?
Wow! A welcome party? Of course! We'll be there!
The next day after work, Lonnie is heading to the playground.
The welcome party is this afternoon, right?
Hello, my name is Jay.
I hope Jay and I become close soon. Huh? Jay! Hello?
Can you pull over there?
Huh? Okay. Oh, why are you doing that?
Just as I thought. Your back tire's getting flat.
Ah, it's fine as it is.
No,
Huh?
it's too dangerous. Go directly to the garage and fix it.
Now? I'm supposed to play with my friends at the playground.
If you get in an accident, you'll put other cars in danger. Go right now.
All right. It's not like it's completely flat.
Lonnie arrives at the playground after fixing her tire.
Guys, I'm here. Oh.
Wow! One more time! Okay. Me first! Oh, come on!
Shine!
Huh? Lonnie!
Have you seen Tayo or the others lately?
They left earlier because it was time to go to work.
Oh, I must have come too late. We were supposed to play.
Play with us then. Huh?
Okay. Now it's my turn to get on.
Wait!
Huh? Jay, look at this! My tire is all fixed. Huh? What are you doing?
Until we finish inspecting the elevator, the playground is off limits.
What? But Speed and Shine rode the elevator. Just let me go once.
No. Go back.
Oh, I want to ride too.
She is really scary.
She must not like Lonnie.
You're no fair, Jay. Tayo, the little bus. Lonnie! Where did you go? We waited forever.
Let's hurry up and go to Jay's welcome party.
I'm not going.
Huh?
You guys go. What?
Why all of a sudden?
You really wanted to go to Jay's welcome party. I don't want to go anymore. I'm just going to play in the playground.
Huh?
Lonnie!
What's wrong with her?
I don't know.
An upset Lonnie does not go to the welcome party, but goes to the playground alone.
I'm the only one not allowed. Huh? It doesn't even look broken.
No. Go back.
I'm sure she doesn't like me. There's no problem. What's happening?
Welcome, Jay! Congratulations on joining our emergency center.
Congratulations!
Thanks, everyone.
Huh? Wait, Lonnie didn't come with you guys?
She went to the playground.
Did you say the playground?
Oh?
Yes. Rogi, why did you tell her that?
What? She didn't want to come here, so she went to the playground.
I better go.
Huh? Jay, where are you going?
Rookie, just in case, I want you to grab the emergency slide and go to the playground.
Help me! Is anyone there?
Lonnie!
Jay, over here! Help
Lonnie!
me! Jay!
Don't be scared. I'll be down soon.
Huh? Lonnie? Jay!
There must be something wrong with the elevator.
Let's hurry!
Okay.
Lonnie's in danger.
Oh no!
Are you hurt? That was pretty scary, huh? You're all right now.
Jay!
Huh?
The emergency slide has been installed!
Stand back!
Okay.
Okay, let's go.
Okay. Jay! There's a fire!
It's okay. Go down.
Okay.
Lonnie!
are you okay? Yes.
If it wasn't for Jay, you could have been in a lot of danger.
You're right.
No, I was just doing my job.
Jay, thank you for saving me. Oh?
Jay, your hair is burned.
Oh, this. It's okay. Lonnie, I'm sure I told you the elevator was off limits, so why did you come to ride it?
Actually, I didn't think the elevator was really broken. I thought you wouldn't let me ride because you didn't like me.
What? Me?
Yes. Every time we met, you always seemed to get mad at me.
That's not because I don't like you. It's because I was worried.
Really?
Of course. It's my job to make sure you're not in any danger.
I didn't know that. Sorry, Jay.
No problem. But next time I tell you to be careful, you have to listen to me. Okay?
Okay.
The next morning, Lonnie goes to the emergency center to meet Jay.
Jay! Jay! Huh? Where did she go?
Lonnie!
Huh?
Is there something wrong?
Frank, by any chance, have you seen Jay?
Oh, you're looking for Jay. Jay, come out here.
Huh?
Hi.
Jay! It really suits you!
Thank you. Oh, now you can go and play in the playground. I just finished fixing the elevator.
Really? Wow, exciting! Today I'm going to play in the playground!
Wait. Lonnie, have you received your safety check today?
Yes, of course! Okay then, goodbye!
Bye!
Drive safely!
Okay!
We hope our new rescue worker Jay continues her good work.